Yoga is widely known for its incredible effects on a person's physical and mental well-being. It is one of the very few fitness practices that activates every muscle in the body, while the meditative nature of yoga also has the power to focus the restless mind and relieve tension. Here are 5 simple but effective yoga poses that help rejuvenate the mind and heal the body from stress build-up from the everyday grind. Halasana or plow pose. Halasana is a body inversion pose that stretches, strengthens, and relaxes your body. Practicing this pose enhances your flexibility, which improves muscles and joint mobility. It helps stretch the joints and spine, which in turn helps deal with back pain from prolonged sitting. This pose is considered to be therapeutic for backache, headaches, and insomnia. It also helps reduce stress and fatigue. Baddha Konasana or butterfly pose. Butterfly pose is a wonderfully grounding yoga pose. It helps create a safe, calm space to meditate or to clear the mind of negative thoughts. It opens up and nourishes the hips, where a lot of our emotional baggage and stress is stored. From a seated position, bring the bottom of your feet together so your legs create a diamond shape. Stay here for 5 breaths up to a full minute. Majari Asana or cat and cow pose. Cat and cow is an easy, gentle way to warm up the spine and improve your balance. It stretches the back torso, neck, and softly stimulates the abdominal organs. It also helps relax and ease the stress build up in the shoulders. Breathe in, curl your chin in, and use your exhalation to lift your navel in and up. Release and arch your back looking up towards the ceiling. Repeat this 5 to 6 times. Dhanurasana or bow pose. Dhanurasana has been named after the shape the body takes while performing it, that of a bow. This pose strengthens the back and abdominal muscles while opening up the chest, neck, and shoulders. It helps alleviate stress and fatigue from your body while also improving the flexibility of the back. It is known to relieve menstrual discomfort and helps prevent kidney-related issues. Balasana or child's pose. This pose helps alleviate stress from the shoulders and flexes the internal organs of your body, keeping them active. It also helps in lengthening of the spine and maintaining its natural alignment. Stay in this pose for as long as you need to and inhale to release and come up. These were 5 yoga poses that will rejuvenate your body and get you going after a stressful day. Practicing these poses regularly will also improve your mental health and boost the overall quality of your daily functioning.